I just want to say good news for you. Before that, I just want to thank you for being kind to me.
In the past few
Years, decades.
decades.
Oh, how are you, by the way?
I'm good. Why?
Very good. You know what? I just want to greet you for both of us kasi my vlog, which was the highest grossing, I mean, the highest views is still soaring high. Now, it reached 22,000 na. The basketball game. The last year, kaya yun. So, I have a surprise for you. I have 2 free dinner.
Wow!
So, with some break.
Where is
That's free,
this?
ah.
Where is this?
Until you can have it until next year for January. There's A Mechanics.
Thank you.
And aside from that, you have a dessert.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah, so, may token of appreciation. Because of your ticket, I reached
Siguro you're
my...
earning thousands now.
No, actually, it's dollars. Pero I can't able to get it until I have
Monetization.
my monetization. So that's why. So it pays to work hard, and I'm patiently wait for that. So I'm not in a hurry for as long as I'm enjoying my thing,
So
But,
more tickets on you.
Yeah, so for me, I really appreciate your kindness talaga. Because of your ticket that he never gave, until now, I have my very highest views on my YouTube channel.
More tickets.
Yeah. So enjoy that, ah.
Okay, thank you,
So,
thank you. And next, thank you.
So,
more
you have-
power.
Just have some,
Oh, Francisco.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Make some shout outs.
Shout out to all Pangasinenses. We love you all.
Thank you, Sir Dan. Ah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. So that's Sir Dan. He's the one who always gave me ticket like concerts, basketball games, and other things that I really appreciate. Very kind to me ever since from the day he started here in Pizza Hut. He started in Gateway Mall 1. That's why. So shout out to each every one of you, okay? Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you give, for all the trials and challenges that I past. Shout out to my mother, Bicol February Agustin, my sister, Helen Carreto, my childhood friend, to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much, each every one of you, and to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. And to all my Facebook viewers, to each every one of you, okay? And to all my lovely countries, thank you so much for the support. Bye for now. And of course, I forgot, Kim bought of H11. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. Thank you for the support also on my YouTube channel. If you want to buy some cell phone accessories, if you want your phone to get tempered or anything about your cell phone, please visit Kim Bot H11 of Santa Lucia Mall in front of Fountain Area, Phase 3. Okay, she will give you friendly price and good service. Once again, Kim Bot, thank you so much. To each every one of you, Ate Tabita, and to each every one of you, okay, bye for now.